Hey everybody, today we wanted to give you a tour of a tower studio at Disney's Riviera Resort. The tower studio is a type of room that's only featured at this resort. The room is made to sleep 2 people. As you can see from a square footage standpoint, it's a little on the small side. However, if you're going to be spending a lot of your time in the parks and it's only 2 of you, or you want an opportunity to check out this resort at a lower price point, this may be a good option. It is a DVC resort, so the studio does have some kitchenette type things with it. It has a refrigerator. And if we open up our cabinet here, we do have a toaster. We have can opener, corkscrew. We have some plastic cutlery, bowls, and paper plates. Some of the stuff that's usually glass has been replaced with paper and plastic because of COVID. We have plenty of shelves here for storage. And drawers below. And then if we open this door here, we have our mini fridge. So we actually had some groceries ordered. That we're going to put in there, and we have some stuff for breakfast in the morning and things that we can heat up in the microwave. The microwave is also great if you like to take leftovers from the restaurant to have some place to heat them up. This bed, which we will come back to in a minute, is a Murphy bed. It folds up into the wall, and you have a sofa. This sofa doesn't need you to take any of the cushions off. Everything just folds down into the sofa, so you don't have to worry about moving those around. Then there are 2 ottomans here that can also be used for seating. There's storage inside. Thank you, Lily. And you can flip the top over to use it as a coffee table. Really smart use of space in here. I was surprised, I did not expect, but there is a full desk. So there's a good workspace here. If, like me, you have to work while you're on vacation, it's nice to have a place specifically designated for setting that up. So you don't have to keep packing it away. So I'm glad they found space for that in this studio unit. And as you can see, there are more drawers and storage there. The theming of the room goes with the rest of the resort. It's inspired by Walt Disney's travels to Europe, and the artwork here depicts that. The interesting thing about the art pieces is you can actually buy prints of these in the gift shop. There's a little computer where you can go over and order them. So if you see something you like, you can take it home with you. We'll come back to the patio in a minute. We've got our big screen TV and our table, console table. That's where you'll find the outlet for the toaster and such. Garbage and recycling. Our bathroom has a pocket door, so we're going to open that up. Nice sized bathroom, standing shower, really nicely finished. You're going to see it's got the rain head and the shower wand, soaps, shampoo, etc. on the wall. We've got our commode here, sink and vanity, more storage underneath. You'll get a hair dryer. You'll find your extra toilet paper there. Our Disney hand soap and lotion. And there's a really nice sized closet here. There's hooks to hang up your towels or your robes, your bathing suits. But being this is a small room, I was surprised what good of a size this closet is. So you're not going to be tripping over your stuff while you're here. There's plenty of space for the luggage. Plenty of space for your groceries. Plenty of space for everything. Got your safe in there. You're also going to find your iron in there. And behind the coats is also an ironing board. Laundry basket. You do have use of laundry. In the resort in DVC, the laundry is free. And then if Lily could help me, we're going to go pull down this bed. So you can see how easy this is. First, we're going to move the ottomans out of the way. They're pretty light, so you can just push them. Let me know if you need a hand with that. She's got it all by herself. It's actually pretty easy to pull down. And there you got your bed. Tucks back up into the wall when you're done. If you were looking for your pillows, they are up here in the cupboard. Extra pillows, and there are also some more in the closet in the bathroom. And let's take a look at this piece of art here. Thank you for the light, Lily. Isn't that adorable? I love the art behind these Murphy beds and the new Disney hotel rooms. They're really a beautiful addition to the room. And last but certainly not least, our patio. What am I missing, Will?
There's chargers and USB plugs over here.
Oh, that's nifty.
And then there's a place over here to like put whatever, like a book or a laptop.
Oh yeah, there's a shelf and there's USB charging ports next to the bed, tucked in there. Thanks, I didn't even see that. And now, last but not least, our patio, which, because it's a small room, it's a small patio, but there is a beautiful breeze out here. In this room we have a view of the Skyliner, and the fountain is really relaxing. And a little thing, if you walk around the edge of the patio here, you can actually see Spaceship Earth from here, which means once fireworks come back to Epcot, you would be able to see the fireworks from your balcony here. Sit out here and enjoy them at night. I think we're going to enjoy our stay here. As far as the room is concerned, it's more than sufficient for our needs. We're here for a quick weekend getaway. We love this location, and I think we're really going to enjoy our stay. I hope this helps you decide where to stay on your next Disney vacation. Have a great day, guys.